How to deactivate your Messenger account? It's simple and easy. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Then tap on the three-line icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Settings. Now scroll down and tap on See More in Account Center. In the Account Center, tap on Personal Details. Next, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now select Deactivation or Deletion. Then tap on your Facebook account name. Choose Deactivate account, then tap Continue. Now enter your account password and tap Continue. Then select a region for deactivation, then again tap Continue. Now scroll down and tap on Deactivate my account. A confirmation message will appear and that's it. Your Messenger account is now deactivated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.